Welcome in or welcome back to my channel. This scene probably looks familiar to some of you, but I just got back home, and on the way home I was listening to the mixtape playlist, and I gotta say, it's pretty good. I'll give more of my thoughts towards the end for ending commentary, but for now, let's get into this music video. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's like a drop of water, animated. I gotta say, I was surprised with the whole concept of this being animated. I saw it all over my timeline for Instagram and Twitter. Oh, I thought that was the moon for a second. Oh, but it probably is in a reflection.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서. 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바뀌니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로.
Sorry, I'm just trying to take everything in. I know I'm quiet.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
That's so interesting.
Forever.
I feel like I'm looking up at the sky, and now it's shifting. How come he's the only one without an umbrella? He doesn't even have his hood up.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어. And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질. 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지. 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까.
I need to put the lyrics up, so I don't know what he's saying.
내 고독 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까. 제발 아무것도 묻지마. 그냥 영원히 내려줘. 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아. 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘. 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어. 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어.
That was pretty.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
The bird evaporated.
When it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. It pours. Forever.
I wonder who was the artist for this animation. I don't know if this character is supposed to be RM in particular, but I don't really feel like it looks like him. Granted, I know he's faceless, but I don't feel like the shape of his head and his hair matches RM. Maybe it's not even him. Maybe it's just a guy, but that looks like his hat over on that side. Wow, that's really pretty. wow. Reaction was like so chill, but that's how the music video made me feel. So if anything, it's just a accurate representation of how I was feeling. But overall, for the actual like mixtape itself, I really like it. It's the perfect going home from wherever you are to home type of playlist. I really like it. It, to me, showed a lot of growth with himself in his material, in his music style, like compared to his last mixtape, because his last mixtape was really hardcore, and I think like really edgy, like really like reflecting on the whole bad boy image, which is what BTS was like catered to way back when. But which there's nothing wrong with that. Like, it's always good to have two different sides of, or multiple sides of who you are be represented. But I just feel like this was a lot more toned down. I feel like, if anything, this was more RM to me, or at least, or how I'm like, or how RM makes me feel, like his character and who he is as a person. What else? My favorite tracks from this mixtape was Soul and Jinaga. I really like those two tracks the most. Yeah, overall, I think it was a pretty good mixtape album. Good job, RM. Props to you. Keep it coming. The ending of today's video. If you want to check out more reaction videos, I'll leave them right here so you can check those out. I know the one, I'll link the one where I'm wearing the exact same thing up there first. But also, like, check out like my other reactions. I only react to BTS, so BTS and Blackpink. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.